My name is Sharvari Dindore. I am currently studying in class 11th at Pune's Brihan Maharashtra College of Commerce. I am showcasing the brilliant architecture of Maharashtra through this video. Maharashtra, a state in western India, is a treasure trove of architectural marvels that reflects the region's rich history, cultural diversity, and innovative spirit. Its architecture blends ancient traditions, colonial influences, and modern design principles, offering an inspiring narrative resilience, creativity, and adaptability. First is rock cut splendor. Ajanta and Ellora caves are one of the Maharashtra's innovative architectural heritage. The Ajanta and Ellora caves stands as an epitome of ancient innovation in Maharashtra. These UNESCO World Heritage Sites are carved directly into rocky cliffs, showcasing the genuinity of artisans who transformed monolithic stone into intricate sculptures, temples, and monasteries. The Ajanta caves, with their vibrant forcases and Buddhist stupas, illustration, and early sustainable architectural practices utilizing natural light and ventilation. Ellora, on the other hand, features the awe-inspiring Kailash Temple, a massive structure carved from a single rock, a feat of engineering and artistry that continues to inspire architectures today. Second is fortifications, engineering mastery. Maharashtra's forts such as Raigad, Sinhagad, and Pratapgarh reflects the strategic brilliance of Maratha architecture. Built atop hills or along the coastline, these forts utilized natural terrain to create formidable defenses. The integration of water tanks, granaries, and concealed escape routes highlights the foresight and sustainable living and disaster preparedness. The enduring structures testify Marathas' innovative use of local materials and techniques to adapt the challenging landscape. Third is colonial charm. Mumbai's Gothic revival. Maharashtra's capital, boasts an array of colonial era buildings that blends European styles with local influences. The Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminal is a striking example of Gothic revival architecture, infused with Indian motifs. Its high ceiling, painted arches, and detailed carvings demonstrate how global architectural trends were innovatively adapted to suit Indian climates and aesthetics. Fourth is modern marvels, urban innovation. Maharashtra continues to innovate in the field of contemporary architecture. Mumbai's skyline, with its towering skyscrapers and eco-friendly buildings, symbolizes the state's march towards urbanization while embracing sustainability. Structures like the Antilla Residence, Bandra Worli Sea Link, and Navi Mumbai International Airport showcase cutting-edge technology and design principles. Fifth is sacred spaces, a blend of art and faith. Maharashtra's temples, such as Siddhivinayak Temple in Mumbai, highlight the seamless integration spirituality. Maharashtra's architecture is a celebration of innovation across centuries. From ancient rock-cut caves to modern skyscrapers, the state showcases a dynamic interplay of tradition, technology, and creativity. The architectural legacy not only reflects the cultural diversity and resilience of Maharashtra, but also serves as an inspiration for sustainable and inclusive design in the future. Thank you.